What's good, people? Welcome back. I'm a little under the weather, but figured I'd come out real quick and show you what I got going on. First of all, the Jeep. I didn't record this, but I changed the head on the Jeep. This old one cracked right in the middle. Can't see it, but this is a nightmare. This is a mess, man. I ended up ordering a new head from Clearwater down in Florida. Sent it up here. It took about maybe like 4 or 5 days, and I put that myself. First time I've ever tackled anything that crazy, taking a whole engine apart. But I did it. Very proud of myself. That being said, here's another thing I'm gonna install today. It's gonna be a new exhaust by Flowmaster. You got everything you need in the box. Everything looks nice. Very well made. I'm thinking this one right here, the long one, is if you do end up removing the cat, you could just use that, which I don't have a cat on mine. I have the 2 catalytic converters coming down from the manifold, and then I removed the one that's I guess the third one that's in front of the muffler. I removed that one, so I guess I'll be using that long one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and back it up a little bit and get to working on it. So a quick little before and after, I suppose. All I have right now is just the stock headers that goes into 2 catalytic converters. Used to go into another catalytic converter, but I removed that. So it's a straight pipe all the way onto the muffler. And the muffler that I have on is like, the AutoZone generic brand or whatever it may be. And then I don't have a pipe coming off the muffler. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it before and after. So that right there is the old pipe with the muffler that I had purchased. Because the old one, where is it? It's somewhere back there. You can't see it, but it's a mess. I'll mention it later. But it took me a little bit longer than expected. I had to go ahead and weld this directly to the I guess the L pipe that comes down from the headers. And then I just secured everything with the necessary hardware that it comes with. And over here, I had to kind of like just use 1 bolt to secure that there. I gotta fix that. I don't like how it looks, but yeah, I mean, the pipe, the exhaust pipe is pretty big in diameter. Overall, the pipe itself is like 2.5 inches, and I think what I had before, it's over there. It's not even close, so it definitely robbed me of some horsepower. So I'm hoping this will sound better, and I'm hoping it gives me some performance gains. And there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire back on and start it up so you guys can see the after. So just to show you real quick, this is the old muffler. As you can see, it was broken. I tried, just some remedies, and obviously that did not work. I ended up buying a whole nother muffler. I tried to weld it onto the pipe, but it was not working. This is normally where the catalytic converter will go, but I had it removed, and it was like a Frankenstein type of exhaust that I had. It is what it is. Finally, I upgraded it because I needed to, so I was like, might as well just buy this one, Flow Effects by Flowmaster. So this is the first time I'm gonna hear it. I promise I have not turned it on. Let me go ahead and try to put you over here real quick. What you guys think. I know it is kind of at the startup it's blowing blue smoke. I did change the head of the Jeep because the original one was cracked, so I upgraded it with the clear water head. I'm hoping I did everything right, because before it wasn't smoking like that at startup. But obviously it goes away, as you can see. But I think it sounds okay. It sounds decent. I like how the exhaust is like right there next to the gas tank. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Finally got a upgraded exhaust. I'm gonna take it for a quick ride and see how it feels. But yeah, on to the next. Peace.